Hi, Miss Geary here. I am going to do a quick video on introduction of algebra tiles. So this website right here is the website that's from your ebook. So you'll be able to use these tools as well as we go through our algebra unit. So just as a review, we have three different types of tiles. Here are the types of tiles here. We have this large square, we have a rectangle, and then we have this smaller square. The tiles are going to be named based on the area or how much space that they take up. So you can see here that this tile has a 1 in the middle, so we call that the ones tile. This is called the x tile, and this is the x squared. So a quick review on why they are called this. If I put the grid on the background here, you can see that this area tile has a length of 1 and a height of 1. So if we tried to find the area of that tile, we would do 1 times 1, which is obviously going to be 1. So we call that the ones tile. Then if we move on to the rectangle, we see that it's going to be the same height as the ones tile right here. So that has a side length of 1. However, we don't know what this measurement is. We can see that it's not quite an equal or a whole number. So we call that an unknown length, or we call that x. So if we were to take the area of this rectangle, we would need to take x multiplied by 1. And if we multiply anything by 1, we just get the other value. So it's going to become x. Now this larger square tile, because it's a square, we know that this length is going to be the exact same length as the height. And if I take my x tile and I move it over here, I see that they have the exact same length. So this unknown length that we were looking at before is going to be the same for the base, and I can move it to be the height of the rectangle as well. So we know that both of these tiles are going to have the same measurement. So to find the area of the square, we would take the base times the height. So x times x gives us x squared. Those are our three tiles that we are going to be working with today. And this is just a quick introduction on the three different tiles.